Investing in the Fidelity Select Semiconductors portfolio can be a strong option for those interested in the semiconductor industry. This mutual fund focuses on companies involved in the design, manufacture, and sale of semiconductors and related equipment. As of the latest updates, it manages around $19.83 billion in assets, with the top holdings including Nvidia, Broadcom, and Taiwan Semiconductors Manufacturing Company. Performance-wise, FSELX has shown impressive returns. Over the past year, it has delivered a return of 76.21%, and its 5-year return stands at 324.62%. However, the fund is more volatile than its peers, with a 5-year standard deviation of 34.11% and a beta of 1.82. The fund is managed by Adam Benjamin, who has been in charge since March 2020. It boasts a relatively low expense ratio of 0.65%, which is lower than the category average. Overall, FSELX offers significant exposure to the semiconductor sector with a solid track record of high returns. Through it, though it comes with higher volatility. If you are comfortable with these risks and looking for long-term growth, this fund might be a suitable investment. And let's see something now about investing in the Fidelity Select Semiconductors portfolio. First, open a brokerage account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Secondly, research the fund. Review the fund's prospectus and performance details. You can find this information on Fidelity's website or other financial research platforms like Morningstar and Zacks. Third, fund your account. Deposit money into your brokerage account. This can typically be done via bank transfer, check, or wire transfer. Fourth, purchase the fund. Once your account is funded, you can buy shares of FSELX. This is done by searching for the fund's ticker symbol in your brokerage account and placing an order to buy shares. You can choose between a market order or a limit order, a specific price at which to buy. Fifth, monitor your investment. Regularly review your investment to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Keep an eye on fund performance, changes in the semiconductor industry, and any updates from Fidelity regarding the fund. For those new to investing, it may also be helpful to consult with a financial advisor to ensure that this fund fits with your overall investment strategy.